Hello, I'm Linia. Today we are at the Automation Theory Workshop. Today I will introduce BOZWANG G5001 high voltage cable rotary stripping machine. BOZWANG G5001 can process wire from 2.5 to 70 square millimeters. The stripping length is from 15 to 70 millimeters, and the remaining length of the shared net cable is more than 4 millimeters. Now I will show you how to operate this machine. Firstly, you should prepare one high voltage cable. You can see here, high voltage cable. And then you directly power on this machine and go to the auto mode page with the preset parameters in system. You can directly you should reset firstly. Reset. Okay, and then you just put in one cable. Okay, and then the machine will operate like wire jacket stripping. Now it's processing wire jacket stripping, and then aluminum foil stripping, shared net cutting, lastly shared net flipping. Okay.